Hello everyone, welcome to the series of renewable energy resources lectures. Today I Anshu Parashar teaching in GEMS Engineering Management Technical Campus in AA department. Wanna start with biomass. So biomass is a organic matter from plants, animals and microorganisms grow on land and water and their derivatives. The energy obtained from the biomass is called biomass energy. The biomass is considered as a renewable resources of energy because the organic matter is generated every day. The biomass used for producing energy are called biomass energy resources. Now, these coal, petroleum, oil, and natural gas do not come in the category of biomass because they are produced from dead, buried biomass under high pressure and temperature during several millions of years. Biomass resources are classified in three groups. One is biomass from cultivated field, crops, forests, etc. Second one is the biomass derived from waste like municipal waste, animal dung, etc. And third is the biomass converted into liquid fuels. In the first group, the biomass is directly converted into energy by burning the biomass. In the second group, the biomass is fermented anaerobically to obtain gaseous fuel like biogas. In the third group, the biomass is converted into ethanol and methanol to be used as liquid fuels in engines. Now, the ethanol is the alcohol and it is flammable, colorless biofuel. It is made by fermenting any biomass high in carbohydrates. Now, ethanol is the most used as a fuel additive. Now, the biodiesel produced by the plants such as rapeseeds, sunflowers, and soybeans can be extracted and refined into fuel, which can be burned in diesel engines. The biodiesel can also made by combining alcohol with vegetable oil. Now this biomass is produced in photosynthesis process which converts the solar energy into biomass energy. The photosynthesis can be represented by a simple equation that 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus light gives you C16H12O6 plus 6O2. Now, coming to the importance of the non conventional source of energy, the non conventional sources of energy are abundant in nature. Now, according to energy experts, the non conventional energy potential of India is estimated at about 95,000 megawatts. These are renewable resources, the non conventional sources of energy, and can be renewed with minimum effort and money. The non conventional sources of energy are pollution free and eco friendly. Now, this bioenergy is a renewable energy made available from material derived from biological sources. The biomass is any organic material, may include wood, wood waste, straw, manure, sugarcane, and many other products from a variety of agricultural processes. So, how is biomass converted to energy? So, biomass power is simply carbon neutral electricity produced from renewable organic waste, which could have been openly burned, dumped in the landfills, or just left in the forest to cause fires. The energy from the sun is transferred and stored in plants in the form of chemical energy. When the plants are cut or die, wood chips, straw, and other plant matter is delivered to biogas plant. When biomass is burned, it releases energy in the form of heat. Now, the biomass plant burn wood or other forms of waste to generate steam. The energy from the steam is directed by pipes to run turbine. The steam rise up to run turbine that produce electricity or generate heat for homes and industries. In the most countries, the biomass plants have been built in the countryside to provide electricity to the local population. There are waste to energy plants that burn trash to produce electricity and power millions of homes. Energy can also be used by burning the scrap wood or wood chips that are left over after the trees have been trimmed. Now here you can see a cycle in which the carbon dioxide, rain and solar energy is converted into plants material through photosynthesis. Now again the plant material is turned into biomass wood pellets, and then these wood pellets are burned, releasing the carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere and releasing heat as a byproduct. So here this is a complete biomass carbon cycle that we were discussing about. Now the biomass. Biomass is a organic matter produced by plants, terrestrial and aquatic, and their derivatives. It includes forest crops, residues, crops specially grown in the energy for farms for their energy content, animal manure. So biomass energy. Biomass continues to account for an estimated one-third of the primary energy use, while in the poorest countries up to 90% of all the energy is supplied by biomass. Biomass or bioenergy is the conversion of biomass organic material originating from plants, trees and crops, and essentially the collection and the storage of the sun's energy through photosynthesis into useful form of energy such as heat, electricity and liquid fuels. So here we can see the types of biomass. So wood fuel, rubbish, alcohol fuels, crop and landfill gas. The biomass is derived from the plant, forest, residue and animal dung, etc. The total terrestrial crop on the earth land is about 2 into 10 to the power 12 metric tons. The terrestrial crops include sugar crops, herbaceous crops, silviculture plants, and the terrestrial crops have an energy potential of 3 into 10 to the power 22 joules. The efficiency of solar energy used in the process of photosynthesis is only 0.1 to 2%. The biomass annual production worldwide is 2 into 10 to the power 11 tons. The energy equivalent to annual biomass growth is 3 into 10 to the power 21 joules. At present, 1% of the world biomass is used for energy conversion. For the use of biomass as energy, fast-growing trees, sugarcane, starch, and oil-containing plants can be cultivated. The cultivated biomass also includes wheat, sorghum crops, sugar beets, cereals, herbaceous crops, aquatic crops grown in fresh water, seawater, muddy water, etc. Algae is also the source of renewable energy. Algae contains organic matter which can be converted into methane gas. Algae can be cultivated on large scale. The wood and straw comes in dry biomass. The energy can be obtained by burning these biomass. Wood is the form of cut long chips. Sawdust is commonly used for domestic applications. Straw can be burned in the straw burning stoves and furnace. The energy can also be obtained by converting the organic waste intermediate energy such as heat, biogas, fuels, etc. The waste can be classified as urban waste, industrial waste, animal waste, forest waste, fishery, and poultry waste. Animal and human excreta agriculture waste. These waste may be converted into heat, biogas, biochemicals by various processes such as combustion, as in the case of wood, straw, etc. Thank you for today. Next, I'll discuss the biomass conversion process.